Hello everyone, this is Asan. In this video we are going to talk about a very distant cousin of if, else, if and else clause of C statement, which is called a switch statement. And as I said, it works like a switch. And the problem that we are going to try to address is basically a very well-known problem. So if a user gives Y or capital Y, it prints yes. Else, if it's small n or capital N, it prints no. And any other input, it will print invalid. So these are usual cases that you always see. And now we can see that we are not expecting from the user an input of multiple characters. We only expect either a single character, either a small y or a capital Y, a small n or a capital N, or any other single character input, not a multi-character input like hello world. Maybe I'm just trying to input H, which in that case is invalid because we are only considering small y, small n, capital N. So the way you can get a character from the user as input is you say that you get char. Here it's small g and small c, not as before capital C, capital G, it's small c. And then we are getting a character from the user and we want to save it as a character, let's say ch, and we want to save it as a character, so char or car, however you call it. And so we got this value from the user and we say switch, and we pass the value of C, we open brace, close brace, and we say case, single quotation for characters. So if the case of the switch value ch is small y, in that case printf yes. And since this is a 3-character string or English word, we have to use double quotation, whereas since it's a single character input that we are trying to test, in that case it is small y, single quotation. So this is print, and then we say break. So if the value of ch that the user gave and saved in ch is small y, we print capital yes. However, if it is capital Y again, we also do the same. So we do this, we print yes if it is small y, and then we break out of the switch statement clause. So we break out of this and we start execution from here. Now the last two cases, one second, so we copy this part because they're roughly the same, and then we indent this and we say small n, capital N, and then we say this is actually not yes but no, and then the thing is, these are the 4 conditions that we know the result of. In any other case, any other value is set to be a default. The default case is we say print invalid. So let's reiterate, or let's go through it again. The user provides a character which is saved as a char variable into the variable name ch. Then we check the switch ch, and based on the input of the user, we either select case switch number small y, small n, capital N, and based on whichever one we've entered or selected as the case, we print the appropriate printf command, which is yes, yes, no, no for small y, capital Y, small and capital N represent respectively. And if the user inputs anything else beyond these four possible characters, we say by default print invalid. So let's run this. We say Control R and we say small y, and it says yes. Let's run it again. We say capital Y, it says yes. We run it again. We say small n, it says no. I should actually put a new line over here, 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 and a new line over here. So let's run capital N, it says no. So far so good. Let's try something weird. Let's say K, it says invalid. So it works. Now imagine that for some reason I forgot to write break. And what will happen in the case of y? We expect that it will print. So what will happen in the case of capital Y? We expect that the result will be, it will be printing capital yes, and it should be over. And we will see that something strange happens. Let's see. We run this, we say capital Y, and if we check what happened is basically it not only printed this, but it seems that it has printed things from below. So the idea was, since we did not give a break command over here, it actually not only printed this and just zoomed through all the next statements till it found a break. So it not only printed this, it kind of slided through and then printed this, and then broke out. Just to give you a feeling about this, we remove this part as well, and we can run this, and we say small y, and it says yes, yes, no, because it not only prints this, but it also prints this before it finds the break statement and gets out of the switch clause. So one way we could use this problem to our benefit is we could simplify our code like this. We put a break over here, we simplify this part, and then we can do this, and we don't even need this. So what it means that if the user is given small y, it will slide through and go enter here and break out. If they give a small n, in that case it will slide through and print no and then break out. So let's run this. For a small n, it says no, so it's working. So when you are using switch, it's very much like if else or if else if else clause. It depends on how your taste and how you want to implement certain things. I just wanted to give you a power. However, always be careful about this break thing, because if you miss it, it will just go forever until it finds a break command or something different. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, and now we have learned another data type. And just to give you one pointer, in order to print this, you say %C instead of %S for string. For character, you say %C. I hope you understand. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.